Welcome to DC YouTube channel, your go-to destination for trading insights and strategies. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of spike detection in boom and crash markets with our powerful DC Spike Detector EA for MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tool is designed to revolutionize your trading experience. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, smash the like button, and don't forget to leave us a comment with your thoughts and questions. Now, let's jump right in. 1. Download the EA file. Obtain the DC Spike Detector EA file by downloading it from your provider or the platform where you acquired it. The file typically comes in a .x5 format. 2. Install the EA. Simply double-click on the EA file you received. It will automatically install on MetaTrader 5. You will receive 6 files, EAs, for the Spike Detector. Attach the EA to a chart. Open MetaTrader 5 and ensure that automated trading is enabled. Drag and drop the appropriate EA file onto the chart of the corresponding boom or crash asset. For example, drag and drop the Boom 1000 EA onto the chart of the Boom 1000 asset. Ensure that automated trading is enabled before dragging and dropping the EA. 4. Adjust timeframe. After attaching the EA to the chart, adjust the timeframe to M1, 1-minute timeframe. This is the optimal timeframe for the spike detector to operate effectively. 5. Strategy testing. The EA allows you to conduct strategy tests using historical data. Repeat the installation process for all boom and crash assets you wish to trade with the spike detector EA. By following these steps, you can successfully download, install, and configure the DC Spike Detector EA on MetaTrader 5 for each boom and crash asset, enabling you to receive signals and conduct strategy tests for historic.
You know who made it.
Data. Using the DC Spike Detector in boom and crash markets. Key features of the Spike Detector. 1. Non-repainting spike detection, accurately identifies spikes without altering historical data. 2. Mobile phone compatibility with VPS, accessible on mobile devices via virtual private servers for trading on the go. 3. High accuracy rate of 95%, provides reliable spike detection for confident trading decisions. 4. Push notifications, receive real-time alerts directly to your device for immediate action. 5. Expert Advisor, EA, format, testable on historical data using the strategy tester in MetaTrader platforms. 6. Optimal performance on M1 timeframe, with compatibility on M5, tailored for short-term trading while adaptable to longer timeframes. 7. Audible alerts, supplement push notifications with audible signals for enhanced usability. How to use the DC Spike Detector. Crash market signals. Look for red down arrows for crash spike sell signals. There are two types of red arrows. Red arrow with a lime dot, signals long sells or reversal opportunities. Hold the sell position for at least 3 spikes before considering closing. Red arrow with no dot indicates an immediate close and profit-taking opportunity once you catch the spike. Wait for another selling opportunity in crash markets. Boom market signals. Watch for lime up arrows for boom spike buy signals. 2 types of lime arrows. Lime arrow with a red dot signals long buy opportunities. Buy and hold the position for at least 3 spikes to maximize profits. Lime arrow with no dot, time to close the position immediately to secure profits. Stop loss and risk management. Consider implementing stop loss orders to limit potential losses and protect capital. Use proper position sizing and diversification to manage risk effectively. Monitor the market closely and adjust your trading approach as needed to minimize losses and maximize profits. And there you have it, folks. We've covered everything you need to know about installing and using the DC Spike Detector EA on MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, and leave us a comment below with your feedback or any questions you may have. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!